Hey there, did you ever have such a strong connection with one of your animal friends or more than one of your animal friends that you just were absolutely certain you knew each other in a past life, but you weren't really sure how to examine it? Well, I would suggest using dowsing to check out past lives with animal friends, and that's what this video is about, how I would do it. I've dowsed for past lives with people and their animal friends for many, many years, and it's just always just a fun thing to do, right? If you don't know how to dowse, feel free to check out my book on Amazon, Fearless Accurate Dowsing. It's got a lot of information, especially healing information for you, your family, and your animal friends. Back to dowsing for past lives with animals. The animal friend that most recently sadly passed last year, but she and I had the strongest connection, was my sister's dog, Canella. You can see the picture of the two of us together at the beginning of this video. From the first time we met, I knew something was going on, especially she came right up to me and just stared at me, and man, I just felt the heart and the soul open up, and it was so much fun and so cool. So I decided to do some dowsing, and sure enough, we had known each other in past lives, and she's an interspecies communicator, which means she can talk to humans who can communicate with animals. She would also go lay next to any humans or other animals that weren't feeling well, and she would do her best to work on them and heal them. It makes you sort of wonder, like, where did she get all this from in this life? Because she came from a home of neglect until my sister rescued her. This is how I would dowse, and how I did dowse for it, is just connecting into the energy of my soul and Canella's soul, and you're going to see me looking up. And when I dowse, for some reason, as soon as I look up, which puts me into the alpha state, then the information starts flowing. So, beloved Canella, our souls were together in a past life. Can you tell me how many past lives we were together? 1, 2, 3. Okay, tell me the most significant past life then of Canella and I. It was after the birth of Christ. Oh, before the birth of Christ. Okay, in the times known as BC. And was she a dog back then? A horse? A mule? An ox? A farmyard animal? A cat. She was a little feline at times, even in the dog form in this life. So I'm seeing information coming in because I'm clairvoyant, which means I can see the visions. I'm also clairaudient. I can hear things coming to me. And you will notice as a dowser, the more you dowse and use this skill, the more your intuition is going to open up, and you're going to get all kinds of information, maybe even do readings for people. So I'm just going back to Canella and I, before Christ was born. Can you tell me what continent it was on? In Europe? North America, South America, Asia. So she was a cat in Asia, and I was an Asian woman, Asian man. We were both healers together, and Canella would crawl into the laps and into the beds of people who were ill as we went from village to village, and she would help them heal. And I would give them herbs and things, and use like Chinese traditional medicine techniques, meridians and such. Wow, I'm feeling almost like crying right now. My heart feels like it's ready to burst. All my energy is just like, oh, that was so beautiful. Thank you, Canella. I hope you're doing well on the other side. I just heard, I'm with you now. There's energy next to me like pawing at my leg. You'll find that when you do these past life readings, if it's for an animal that's on the other side, that cross the rainbow bridge, you may sense them in the room that you're doing this, or hear them, or feel them like I just did. It's just a really fun yet miraculous way to connect and reconnect with animal friends and with their souls. Thank you for watching. If you want more information, feel free to check out my website, emorescue.com. Leave comments if you'd like, subscribe, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see. I appreciate you so much, and your comments mean the world to me. Subscribe to my bi-monthly newsletter and get 10 free chapters of Fearless Accurate Dowsing. There are links to all my Amazon books on the homepage, emorescue.com. Thank you.